Good morning, year two, and welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Today we've finished all our addition and subtraction, and this is our final part. We're going to be looking at what happens when we add three one-digit numbers, okay? And we're going to be looking to identify facts that help us to solve them. So things like number bonds and double facts, okay? So 1 add 9, 2 add 8, 6 add 4. Which number facts help me to solve these calculations? What can I use? That's right, we use our number bonds, don't we? So we know that all these calculations have a total of 10. We know that there's others. Can you tell me another number bond to 10? Shout it at your screen. Shout more than one if you can. That's right, there's 3 add 7, 7 add 3, 5 add 5, 8 add 2, 10 add 0. There's lots and lots of them, isn't there? So if you know them really well, that helps your maths come on. So what about this problem? 2 add 3 add 8. Is there anything we know that can help us to solve that? What do we know about addition? Does it have to be done in the order it's there, or can you move it round a bit? What number facts could help us to solve this? So what number facts have we got that could help us to solve this problem? We can still use our number bonds, and we're going to have a look at how we do that. So 2 add 3 add 8. Can you spot two numbers which make 10 in this number sentence? Can you spot them? That's right, it's 2 and 8. 2 add 8 equals 10. So that helps us to solve this, doesn't it? But how? What does it do? Can you tell your screen how you think that might help us to make it easier? Okay, let's have a look. So we've got 2 and 8 and 3. So we've got 3 different colours, and you're going to be using different colours for your activity today for your first one. And we're going to be using tens frames. So each frame has got 10 in it. So 2 tens is 20. So there's a maximum of 20 you can have. So we've got our number bonds, 2 and 8, which give us 10. Okay, so we've cancelled those two numbers out. We don't need to use 2 and 8 again. Now all we need to do is add on the extra 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we can calculate that really easily because we've got 10 add 3, and that equals 13. Nice and easy. Okay, what about this one? Can you spot a number bond that will help you to solve this one? 4 and 6. 4 add 6 is 10, isn't it? So we're going to use our tens frame again. So you're going to need your 3 colours. So we've got our 4 and our 6. That gives us 10. And then we just need to add on our extra 7. So 10 add 7 is 17. So 4 add 6 add 7 is 17. What about this one? 6 add 2 add 8. Can you spot the number bonds, the two numbers that make 10? 2 and 8 is 10, isn't it? So let's put them into our tens frame. So we put our 2 in, then we put our 8 in, which gives us 10. And then we need to add our extra 6. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the 10 that we made from 2 and 8, add 6, gives us 16. There we go. So 6 add 2 add 8 is 16. What about this one? Are there any number bonds here? No, there isn't, is there? So what can we do? What do we do? Is there anything else that can help us? Well, yes, we can use our doubling facts, our doubling knowledge. Okay, if you know all your doubles to double 10, you can use these really well. So let's see how we use them. So we know 4 add 4 is a double. If we know our doubles off by heart, they can also help us to add three numbers together. So if we know that 4 add 4 is 8, then all we need to do is add on the extra 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that 4 add 4 equals 8, and 8 add 5 equals 13. Okay, next one, 7 add 5. Is there any number bonds? No, but there's a double, isn't there? 7 add 7. We know that 7 add 7 is 14. So all we need to do is 14 add 5. And we know that 14 add 5, well, 4 add 5 is 9. So 14 add 5 is 19. Right, this one. Can you spot a number bond? Number bond or double? There's number bond, isn't there? 6 add 4 is 10. So 6 add 4 is 10. Then 10 add the extra 8. That should be 8, excuse me. 10 add the extra 8 is 18. I put 15 there. I apologize for that. Next one. Number bond or double? Number bond. 9 add 1. 9 add 1 is 10. 10 add 8 is 18. Next one. Have we got a number bond or a double there? We've got a double, haven't we? We've actually got a double if we look at it. Because 3 add 3, we know double 3 is 6. And then we know that 6 add 6, double 6 is 12. What about this one? Number bond or double? It's another double, isn't it? So we know that 8 add 8 is 16. And 16 add the extra 3 that we've not added on is 19. Okay, next one. Number bond or double? Both, isn't it? We've got both. We've got a number bond or a double. So whichever one helps you to solve that the easiest. So you could do 7 add 7 is 14, and 14 add 3 is 17. Or you could do 3 add 7 is 10. So 10 add 7 is 17. Both are right. Doesn't matter, whichever one you find easiest. Okay, next one. Number bond or double? We've got another number bond, but this is a bigger number bond. This is a number bond to 20. Still works the same if you know your number bonds. So now we can know that 11 add 9 is 20. And then all we need to do is add 3 to the 20. 20 add 3 equals 23. Easy. Right, this one. Number bond or double? It's neither, is it? There's no number bonds to 10 there or 20, and there's no doubles. We can still calculate the answer, but our number bonds and doubles won't completely be able to help us. However, we can use what we call near bonds to help us. This is where we know a number bond and we know whether it's a little bit more or a little bit less. So what's our near number bond here? 8 add 3. Because it's close to 8 add 2. So 8 add 2 is 10. So if 8 add 2 equals 10, then 8 add 3 is 11, because 3 is one more than 2. So the answer's got to be one more, hasn't it? So 8 add 2 is 10. 8 add 3 is 11. So 11 add 5 is 16. Okay, so your activity today, you've got 2 sheets that I want you to do both of them. The first one, you're going to be doing what we did on this video. You're going to get 3 coloured pencils, the same colours as the numbers, and you are going to colour in your tens frames to make your bonds to 10, and then on the other side of the sheet to make your doubles, and then add on the rest and use that to solve the problem. On your second sheet, which is an easier and a trickier one off, you're going to read the number sentences with the 3 numbers, and you're going to circle the 2 numbers out of those 3, which make either a number bond, usually to 10, but it might be to 20, or it might be to 30. Or if there's no number bond there, a double fact. So you're going to circle those ones that help you to solve it, and then write the answers. And there's some extension challenge sheets for you to do if you finish early. Okay. enjoy year 2, and I can't wait to see your hard work. See you soon.